Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about some pattern of hour. Okay, now look at the first example. Hour. Hour. Hour, that's mean kita. This is our home. Ini rumah kita. So now let's play together that sound pattern with the phonic. Her, our, hour. Hour, that's mean jam. There are 24 hours in a day. Ada 24 jam dalam satu hari. And then hour, sour. Sour means masam. These lemon are sour. Lemon ini masam. Now let's blend together with two phonics. S, k. It sounds sk. Sk, hour, scour. Scour, that's mean sental. She scour the cooker pan. Dia menyental periuk memasak. Have you got what we learned today? Very good. Okay, that's all for today. Assalamualaikum.